Have you ever wondered what life would be like if the Earth was flat? A fascinating concept, isn't it? The idea of a flat Earth is not new. It was the prevailing belief in many ancient cultures. It presents an alternate reality where our understanding of physics, particularly gravity, is completely disrupted. In this flat world, gravity would be a force pulling everything towards the center rather than uniformly downwards. The implications? Well, walking towards them would feel like climbing a steep hill. Objects thrown up near the edge might not come down at all. This hypothesis challenges our fundamental understanding of the universe. It brings forth questions that defy our current scientific knowledge. It's a concept that pushes the boundaries of our imagination, leading us into a world where the impossible seems possible. Imagine standing on the edge of the world, peering over into the abyss. Welcome to the intriguing world of the flat Earth hypothesis. And remember, if you're enjoying this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like and subscribe. How would the sun, moon, and stars behave in a flat Earth scenario? That's a thought-provoking question. In a world where the Earth is flat, celestial mechanics would take a whole new dynamic. The sun and moon, instead of rising and setting like we're used to, would move in a circular pattern above the plane of the Earth. This would mean a complete transformation of our understanding of day and night. Imagine the sun perpetually visible, moving in a great arc across the sky, its light reaching every corner of the Earth simultaneously. The night sky would also undergo a dramatic change. The constellations, those familiar patterns of stars that have guided sailors and inspired legends, would be different. Depending on where you are on the flat Earth, some constellations might never be visible, while others might never set. The sky as we know it, with its familiar constellations, would be a vastly different spectacle. How would we navigate if the Earth is flat? Well, first off, our modern navigation technologies like GPS, which rely on the Earth being spherical, would be thrown into chaos. GPS satellites orbit the Earth in a specific manner, assuming it's a globe. On a flat Earth, these satellites would need an entirely new configuration to function, if they could function at all. Now let's talk about direction and distance. We're used to thinking of north, south, east and west as fixed points. But on a flat Earth, these points become distorted. Your sense of direction would be skewed as you move towards the edge. Similarly, the concept of distance would change dramatically. The farther you move from the center, the longer the distance becomes, distorting our understanding of space and time. So, in essence, navigating a flat Earth would be like navigating a brand new world. Traveling from point A to point B would be a whole new adventure. What would it be like living on the edge of a flat Earth? Imagine being an edge dweller, where the horizon isn't a gentle curve, but a sharp drop-off into the unknown. The climate here could be extremely harsh, with winds whipping across the flat Earth, gathering speed until they plummet off the edge into the unknown abyss. Gravity, too, would play tricks on us. Instead of pulling us toward the center of the planet, it would pull us sideways, towards the center of the flat disk that is Earth. We would perpetually feel like we're on a steep hill. Living on the edge would also have profound psychological implications. Imagine looking out your window to see not the reassuring curve of the globe, but the end of the world. The horizon wouldn't be a symbol of limitless possibilities, but a stark reminder of the world's boundaries. Life on the edge would be like living in a different world altogether. So what does this all mean for our understanding of the universe? Well, if the Earth were indeed flat, it would drastically rewrite our understanding of science and physics as we know it. No longer would gravity pull everything towards a central point, but rather straight down, making the concept of up and down much more literal. The sun, moon, and stars would have to follow entirely different paths, creating a celestial ballet unlike anything we currently comprehend. Our daily life would also see a significant shift. Imagine gazing out at a horizon that abruptly ends, or navigating a world that's not a sphere, but a vast, flat expanse. In essence, the flat Earth hypothesis upends our understanding of the universe, forcing us to rethink everything from gravity to geography. It's a fascinating, albeit mind-bending, concept to ponder. The world we know and understand would be completely turned on its head, quite literally, if the Earth were flat.